Hi friends, this is Rajkumar. So in this video, I am going to show you how to draw a bar chart with single column and multiple columns. So this is the data I have. In the x-axis, you can mention the year, and in the y-axis, you can mention the sales corresponding to three different companies. So in the beginning, I'll show you column chart for the only one variable, that is only for one company. So select the data. Go to the plot and select the column. So now here you can see the columns corresponding to the company 1, and here you can add the labels by double clicking. So double click on the bars, so this panel will be opened. In this you can change the pattern and you can change the labels also, even you can change the spacing. So in the beginning I will show you how to change the pattern. So instead of this color I am going to select the blue color. So just I am clicking on the apply, you can see the color changes to the blue. So if you click on the enable labels, you can find the labels. Similarly you can change the pattern also. So click OK. So if you want to add the frame, just select the frame, layer frame. Now you can see the layer frame, and you can adjust the legends box, and you can see the x-axis title and y-axis titles also. Suppose if you want to change the spacing between these columns, just double click here, select the spacing option. So here you can find the gap between bars in terms of percentage. You can increase the percentage. Now you can see the gap. So the gap is increased now. So here you can find the year in the x-axis, and similarly sales in the y-axis. Suppose if you want to change the sizes of the frame, just double click on the frame. So you can see background, size, display, stack, grid chart. So in this you go to the size and change the left side. You can change the left offside and top offside also. Instead of 17 I am keeping 10. So now you can see this left axis will be shifted towards left side once I click apply. So this is shifted to left side, and instead of 11 I am keeping 10, so it will move in the upward direction. So you can see, and you can change the width. So total 100% is there, so in that 10% is offset for the left side, so I am giving 85. So you can see the increase in width here. Similarly I am increasing the height also, but here the axis title is going below the background, so I am decreasing the height to the 75. So now it is fit. And suppose if you want to add any error bars, so just select this and go to insert option in the top portion of the software. Just select insert. In that you can find error bars. Just click here and it will ask you the level of significance. So generally we will prefer 5% data, so select 5% and click on OK. Now you can find the error bars corresponding to different columns. So this is the error bars. So now suppose if you want to change the position of these labels, just click here, one click, and shift here, sorry, so like this you can shift the position. So you can shift here like this also. And coming to the bar chart with multiple columns, select the columns and go to the plot and select the columns. So now you can find the sales for the 3 different companies. So why this error bars came here means the error bar results were showed in this sheet. You can delete this sheet. So the error bars are removed. So just now add the frame, and similarly you can shift this legend box. And here suppose if you want to add error bus, similarly just go to the insert option and click on the error and click OK. And similarly click on here, insert error bars, OK. Similarly select insert error bars. So suppose if you want to change the pattern, so let us see how to change the pattern for independent columns. So in the pattern, if you change here, you can find dependent and independent options. So just select dependent and apply the enable labels. So just click here. So now you can find the labels. Suppose if you want to decrease the size of the labels, just select the size. So you can find the decreased size of the labels, but I am now disabling the labels. And if you want, you can increase the spacing also. So instead of, and you can also change the overlap. I am increasing the graph from 20% to 40%. So just see. Now instead of the colors, I wanted to give some pattern to this. So just double click on it, go to the pattern and go to the single and select none, apply. So all these are changed to colorless columns. Now if you want to add any pattern, suppose if you add some pattern here, so you can find that all the columns are changed to same pattern, but this is not that we want. So now you can select the independent option. Now choose the data for company 1 or company 2. Now click on the pattern that you want and apply. So the first column data was changed here. Similarly you can change the pattern for another column. So go to the group option, select the independent and go to the pattern and choose your option. So now you can see these are changed, and you can change the legend box also, that I have already told you. And if you want to remove this border, go to the setting and go to the frame and select option none and click apply. You can see that this border will be disappeared once you click here. So this border is disappeared. So thank you for today.